Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick capture settings category. Here we can find leveler option, so by using button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off here. Now let me keep it turned on, let's move back to camera, and here at the center we get access to this line. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And of course when we don't need it we have to move back to right corner settings, capture category and turn it off here. So for now, in the preview, the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.